Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to know who you are, what is the mission or purpose of your life, what is the means you can find the answers to. If you have to find and recognize the major milestones of your life, have you got any practical way of doing it? If you do not have a ready answer, may I suggest a possible answer? Astrology or Jyotish Shastra in the Indian context. It is the science of light or the science based the stars. If you have the knowledge of its fundamental principles, you can acquire the ability to read your own life to some extent. If you can master the subjects and the database is accurate, you can visualize your life in considerable details with near accuracy or genuineness. Before I talk about astrology, may I tell you something about myself? My name is Arvindakshan and I am a retired army officer who was served in the Indian Army from 1962 to 1992. During my college student days from 1957 to 1961, the predominant trends among the students were more anti-conventional and agnostical. As a result, I also did not have any faith in conventional subjects like astrology. Moreover, I used to argue against the relevance of the subject even without knowing the ABCD of the subject. As a result of such an argument, one of my family elders presented me with a book on astrology. After going through it, I found that there is a lot of scientific and mathematical details and got interested in the subject. After almost 15 years of learning and research work, I found that the subject deserves attention and study by all humans. Now to the subject. Do you know why there are 360 degrees in a circle? Anyone who has discovered these degrees could have made it 100 or 200 or 300 degrees. But why is it 360 degrees? This is where astrology has contributed to mathematics. In olden times, the rishis who studied the subject fixed a point in the sky called the first point of Aries or Meshadi in Indian system. Due to the movement of the earth around the sun, it was reckoned that it took 360 days for the sun to come back to the same first point of Aries. That is the basis of the 360 degrees of a circle, one day equivalent to 1 degree. Only later, when modern instruments were used, it was found that it took 365 and 1/4 days to complete one circle. But due to ease of calculations, astrology stuck to the original 360 degrees. This 360 degrees is